we are here, Inspiration Lake, with Anne, and with me, and with these boys, and this pretty, beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
May mga turtles dito, kaya pag pumunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng tinapay. Dahil may mga
We don't know yet.
turtles na gusto kumain ng bread.
Oh, where is it? I can't see it.
Grabe, walang katao-tao. Sulo namin yung park.
Oh, it's going super safe. Solo namin yung lake.
Sulo kayo na mo ang lake. Morning ang mga morning buhay sa Katabang, guys. Buhay sa Katabang. Kaya na magsigig uban-uban sa alaga. Kaya walay ting klase. Walay ting klase, walay klase. Pwede mo dira magsakay boat, pero sarado pa sila. Ay, open na ba ang boat, An? Bicycle lang man siguro, An. Nice siya, guys. Pang relaxing. Pwede po kung nakauyab-uyab, mag-date-date mo dire. Tago mo aning punuan.
There's a lot of bread, guys, over there. Not eating.